Learn German weather vocabulary and conversation structures. Welcome to our video series on learning German for beginners. In the previous lesson, we tackled small dialogues in the supermarket. Now, we dive into the fascinating world of discussing the weather. Get ready to grasp essential words, their articles, plural forms, and crucial conversation structures. Important German vocabulary. Let's start with some key German words and their forms. Wetter, singular, das Wetter, plural, die Wetter. Regen, rain, singular, der Regen, plural, die Regen. Gewitter, thunderstorm, singular, die Gewitter, plural, die Gewitter. Blitz, lightning, singular, der Blitz, plural, die Blitzen. Storm, singular, der Sturm, plural, die Sturm. Wind, singular, der Wind, plural, die Wind. Common weather questions. Now that we've expanded your vocabulary, let's tackle common weather questions. Is the weather good? Answer, ja, das Wetter ist gut. Yes, the weather is good. How is the weather today? Answer, das Wetter heute ist sonnig. The weather today is sunny. What's bad weather in Germany? Answer, schlechtes Wetter in Deutschland ist regnerisch. Bad weather in Germany is rainy. Discussing temperature. Understanding temperature-related expressions is crucial. It's warm. Expression es ist warm. It's cold. Expression es ist kalt. What's the temperature? Expression wie ist die Temperatur? Describing weather conditions. Learn how to vividly describe weather conditions. Yesterday's weather was better than today. Expression, das Wetter gestern war besser als heute. It's cloudy. Expression es ist bewölkt. It's windy. Expression es ist windig. The weather is really beautiful. Expression, das Wetter ist wirklich schön. Additional expressions. Explore more poetic expressions to enrich your weather discussions. It's dreamlike. Expression es ist traumhaft. There are no clouds in the sky. Expression es gibt kein Wolken am Himmel. Congratulations on mastering German weather vocabulary and conversation structures. Practice what you've learned. Dank for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging lessons.